Sam is not a millionaire, not a financial genius, and not someone born into privilege. He is simply an ordinary person with an ordinary life, a normal job, and responsibilities that never seem to slow down. For years, Sam followed the same routine millions of people live every day. He worked hard, collected his paycheck, paid his bills, enjoyed a few small pleasures, and then watched his account balance silently shrink until there was almost nothing left. Month after month, year after year, the cycle kept repeating. He wasn't careless. He wasn't irresponsible. He simply never built anything that could grow without him constantly working for it. One evening, when Sam was 25, he sat quietly in his room, staring at his bank account. He noticed something that shook him a little. After all these years of working, he had nothing meaningful to show for it. No safety, no backup, no future security, just constant financial pressure disguised as normal life. That night, Sam realized a powerful truth. He wasn't broke because he didn't earn enough money. He was broke because his money never got a chance to grow. Every dollar he earned was used, consumed, forgotten, and gone forever. So that night, Sam made a decision that didn't look big, dramatic, or impressive. In fact, it looked almost too simple to matter. He decided that from that day forward, he would invest just $100 every month. Not when he felt like it, not when things were perfect. Every single month, no excuses, no gambling, no hot tips, no risky trading, just stable, disciplined investing. The type most people call boring, the type most people ignore, but the type that actually works. The first year passed, and nothing extraordinary happened. His investment grew a little, but it didn't look life-changing. The third year came, and still, it didn't feel like something special. 5 years later, yes, there was progress, but nothing close to the dramatic success stories people love to talk about. This is the exact point where most people quit. They stop because they cannot handle slow results. They give up because progress doesn't scream loudly in the beginning. But Sam didn't stop. He understood something quietly powerful. Real growth does not shout early, whispers first. Then over time it grows louder. As the years continued, something incredible began to happen. The power of compounding silently started doing its work. His money wasn't just adding up anymore, it was multiplying. 20 years later, Sam is not insanely rich, but he has something far more powerful than flashy wealth. He has freedom. He doesn't panic when unexpected expenses appear. He doesn't lie awake at night worrying about money all the time. He does not experience the constant fear of losing his job because he finally has a financial cushion to rely on. He can help his family without destroying himself. He can face emergencies without breaking. He lives his life with stability, confidence, and peace of mind. He built something real, something strong, something that protects him now. But here's the shocking truth. Most people watching this waste at least $100 every single month without thinking. Subscriptions they never use. Random online shopping, extra takeout meals, impulsive spending habits, things that bring 10 minutes of happiness and leave nothing behind. The scary part is not that people waste money. The scary part is that they never realize how powerful that small amount could become over time. 20 years will pass whether you invest or not. Your future will arrive whether you prepare for it or ignore it. Life moves forward whether you plan wisely or simply drift. The question isn't whether time will pass. The question is, when that future version of you finally arrives, will they be thankful for the decisions you made, or disappointed that you never started something simple but life-changing? Sam could have said what most people say. I'll start when I earn more. I'll start when life gets easier. It's only $100. It won't make a difference. If he had thought like that, he would still be stressed, scared, and financially trapped today. But he didn't wait for the perfect time. He didn't wait for more money. He didn't wait for motivation. He simply started, stayed consistent, and trusted the process. This is not just a money story. This is a responsibility story. A peace of mind story. A story about taking control instead of living scared. Sam did not do something extraordinary. He simply did something ordinary with extraordinary consistency. And that is what changed everything. So now this story isn't really about Sam anymore. It is about you. You have the same choice he had. You can keep living the same cycle, spending and forgetting. Or you can build something your future self will be proud of. What if you started today? But if 20 years from now, you could look back and say, that was the best decision I ever made. You don't need to be rich to begin. You don't need to understand everything perfectly. You don't need perfect timing, because perfect timing doesn't exist. All you need is the courage to start small and stay consistent. Because $100 a month didn't change Sam in one day, but over time, it changed his entire life. One day, it can change yours too. 20 years from now, your future self is waiting. The only question left is simple. What story do you want them to tell about you?